Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto, and today we are going to be looking at My Legion Secrets results for the month of November. I'm excited. Let's hop onto my computer to share with you some more. Perfect, guys. Here I am on my screen, and before I go ahead and talk about my results, I do want to give you guys a little snippet of what exactly I'm following so that you can start your journey. And if you're researching on My Legion Secrets, great. I hope this video is helpful for you. I put out a monthly video result every single month. So make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you want to get notified for my monthly results. But at the same time, every week I post strategy and methods that you can use, which I am using actively in my journey as well, not only with My Legion Secrets, but in my affiliate marketing journey as well. I'm following this strategy that you can see on the screen. It is a two-step strategy, and My Legion Secret is concentrated in step number one, which is my primary goal of generating that cash flow and starting to understand how it can be a catalyst for you in your entire affiliate marketing journey. Now, I'm not somebody to tell you whether My Legion Secrets works or not. You can see for yourself and you can make that decision for yourself if you want to get started. But if you do, my link is in the description of this video. Yes, I'm an affiliate. So if you do decide to join, then I will basically be referring you to My Legion Secrets. So make sure that you do check that out. And obviously, I do also have my course, which explains this entire strategy within the description of this video. I will pin the My Legion Secret link in the comments, the pinned comment as well, so you can check that out at any point of time. Now, first and foremost, how do I use it? I use it with step one, and as you can see, step one consists of me getting those leads, sending it to an offer, and making a sale. Keeping it simple, guys. I'm not complicating the process. This is something that I get done within 30 minutes of my day every single day. And yes, I've been applying it for the last year and a half, almost. Well, in a few months, it'll be 2 years. So it's more than a year and a half that I've been actually applying it, and it just works. So let me go ahead and share with you what My Legion Secret is if you're here for the first time and doing your research. My Legion Secret, guys, gives you 100 to 200 leads every single day. Now, these are email leads that are in the co-registration, leads. So they're not the highest quality leads, I'll tell you that upfront, but they are not the lowest quality leads as well. The other thing that I want to mention is that I always make sure that you understand the only thing that's guaranteed from My Legion Secret is these 100 to 200 leads. So in the month of September, I opened a second account with My Legion Secret, and I am promoting that account. And if somebody joins as a referral, great. But my focus is not to get referrals to that account. My focus with that account is literally to make sales, and that's it, right? But obviously, if I do get a referral, then I get a bonus 100 leads. So anywhere between 100 to 200 leads is what you can get with My Legion Secrets. And this is what they promise you. The rest of the conversion of those leads is based on your marketing. Now, I want you guys to take away from the fact that My Legion Secrets exists. Let's say you go with a normal advertising. So you Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever kind of ads you're using, right? The goal for those ads are not going to be always, you don't know whether they're going to convert. What's going to make them convert is your skill set as a marketer in making sure you're placing the ad correctly, in making sure that your marketing message is correct, in making sure that you have a good product on the back end. So this has all skills that are involved with marketing. So we as marketers and as affiliate marketers, our goal is to convert those leads into a sale. That is my goal. If it doesn't, it's not My Legion Secret fault if it's not converting. We have to look at it for ourselves. Okay. That's one thing I just want to mention. Again, if I've never made any sale for My Legion Secret, I would say that the leads are not the best leads. If I didn't get any opens or didn't get any clicks, and I didn't see my stats changing, then I would definitely not say that they're the best. But it's the contrary for me. Over the last year and a half, guys, I have got consistent statistics, and I'll just like briefly show you. Let me just do this. Let me just duplicate this slide. I'm going to go to Warrior Plus for a second because I want to show you guys this, and let's just look at all time. Okay. I want to look at all time, and I want to go to and just put the code MLGS. Why do I want to do that is I want to show you how much I've earned. So I've made over 420 items of sales, over $6,000 earned. Now, obviously, these are my results. These are not typical. I do put in the work. I do put in the effort. I do apply the marketing skills to get the conversions, but it's made me 6,000. Now, out of this, if I go to statistics, let me try to do this. I don't know whether I will be able to, but let me try to do this. I don't think I can get, yeah, let's just do all time. You can see from my statistics, I am getting clicks. Okay, now all of this is not my Legion secrets, but a lot of it is. Okay, so if I go to, let's use one example. Okay, let's use affiliate marketing on Crack. I'm literally going to show you this. If I click on, did I click on it? Yeah, okay. Clicked on it. As you can see, when I open my Legion secrets, I can see my video is lagging. Not sure why, guys, but I'm going to continue making this video so that you guys can see, right? Click on one of the products that I do share with my Legion secrets, okay? And you will see interesting statistics. Now, there's a reason why I'm showing you this right now. The main reason why I'm showing you all of this right now is for you guys to understand that at the end of the day, yes, we're getting those 100 to 200 leads, but it's converting into actual clicks and sales, okay? I don't know why it's taking so much time to load. Here we go. So let's just say my Legion secrets here, okay? This is all time. Just from this tracking code itself, I've got about 1,000 clicks, right? But I have individual tracking codes. So if you combine everything together, you'll see that's been 6,786 clicks, okay? Out of which majority is coming from my Legion secrets. Yes, I have system.io as well. This is one of the codes I used for the previous year, but I have all the other ones based on dates. So if you combine all of these together, you'll basically see that it is about 4,000 clicks, out of which a lot have just converted into sales, right? So this is a good thing to show you guys that there are clicks as well involved. So just one product I send about every month. I try to do at least two to three products which I have. Again, all of this is shared within my course, but just to show you guys that clicks have been given from my Legion secrets. So these are not dormant leads, these are active leads. People are going out getting this. How much does my Legion secret cost? $30 the first month to get started and $30 to maintain it. So that means the first month you spend $60 and then you spend $30 every single month after that. That's it. I'm not going to say anything more. This is what my Legion secret is. If you want to check out the reviews, I have the playlist in the description. Check that out and see it. Let's go ahead and count my actual results for the month of November. So first and foremost, I just want to go to my Legion secret itself, because this account, the first account that I have, I do have 200 leads and I do have affiliates here. But let's just count in the month of November how many commissions I made. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 commissions. Okay, so that's $25 for the month of November, and that's low. I haven't focused on getting more people to my Legion secrets. Maybe this is something that I need to do in the future, but for now it's fine. The whole purpose is to get my cash flow running. Then we will just go and click on last month. As you guys can see here, so the 1st to the 30th of November, I made totally $300 in sales and $281 in commissions, and 16 items were sold. So not too many, but 16 items were sold in the last month. So you have a 30-day period. Basically every other day I was getting a sale. Okay, that's from Warrior Plus. Let's hop on to ClickBank, because I remember I said I have two accounts, guys. I started off with one account, but then I got the second account. One account I use just for Warrior Plus, and the second account I use just for ClickBank. So we'll see how much I made in the month of November. As you guys can see, I have 1st of November to the 30th. I made basically 1,300 hops. 10% of the conversion was a conversion rate, which is not bad. It can be better, definitely, but 10% conversion rate. I earned about $127.75, out of which I made only 3 new sales. Now remember, this is a new account. I made 3 new sales in the month of November. If you minus those 3 sales from the rebills, basically from the previous months, I got 4 recurring commissions plus 3 commissions this month. So that totaled out to 7 commissions for the last month of November, which made me, and remember 16 and 7, okay? 16 and 7. So you can see for yourself how much I'm earning basically. And this is the total amount. So that's ClickBank. Then we have Warrior Plus. I have to say the month of November has been slow for me. I was testing out a newer strategy where I focus on one vendor for the entire month with different products. So it seems that it might not work well with this one vendor, or maybe I need to shift my products off. This is something that I need to work on, but at least you can see that it's realistic results, right? So that's something I'm just trying out right now. It's fine. I do understand that it's lower this last month. And then $25. So that gives me a total of $434.23. And I'm going to minus what I've spent on my Legion secrets, which is basically $60. So the total amount for the month of November is $374.23. Remember, guys, This is not something that I'm looking to make a lot of money. This is something that I have in place to follow this strategy, which is basically use the money that I've earned this last month of November, so this $374, into being able to build my email list and have a solid email list being built. Now, I do have an update for that at the end of the week. You will see that update for the last month, but that's what I use. I use the previous month's earnings, and now for the month of December, I will basically use $374 to be able to purchase advertising and build my email list. This is how I focus on it, like kind of hands-free, and make sure that everything's working. And then I focus just on list building and my skill sets to convert, which is copywriting. Okay, these are the two things that I wanted to focus on. But those are my results for the month of November. If you guys like this video, I wanted to keep it short and simple, just give you the highlights for this month. If you guys want some training, get on next week for on Monday for the new training video. Otherwise, guys, enjoy your month of December. It's a good month to get started and think about what you're going to do for the next year. Okay, that being said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching, because my Legion Secret videos have been getting a lot of feedback and a lot of comments also during these last few years. So I'm super happy to be sharing this content on a regular basis. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.